miles, use the right 2 lanes to take exit 289 for Washington 27 Pine Road.
Yes. Yep. Yeah, I rarely use it. Yep, go ahead and take it. And laying on the gas storage. Might actually, yeah. Let me make out what that is. I think that might be a Nissan, actually. I thought that was a Jeep, but I'm wondering now. I think that might be a Nissan.
In half a mile, use the right 2 lanes to take exit 289 for Washington 27 Pine Road.
It's a Nissan, I think that's a Nissan Frontier. Yep. No, it's a V8 Titan.
Use the right 2 lanes to take exit 289.
Yeah, just a little bit ago, yep.
In a quarter mile, use the right 2 lanes to turn right onto Washington 27 South, North Pine Road. Use the right 2 lanes to turn right onto Washington 27 South, North Pine Road. Continue on Washington 27 South for 3/4 of a mile.
There's a lot more in a lot more in this than that. You have either a 4-cylinder or a 6-cylinder. The 6-cylinder is going to be no more than 3.0 liter. And you have a 4-speed automatic, whereas I've got a 3.6 liter V6, and I've got a 6-speed automatic with a shift-on command sport shifting.
In a quarter mile, continue straight onto North Pine Road.
Yes. Yep, yes. Yeah, you'll need to do that to move it through all the gears after you move through it. Yep, because you want that fluid to circulate through all the gears. So that's what that's what that
Continue straight onto North Pine Road. In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the right.